Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about tuples. And tuples are collections which are ordered and unchangeable, and they are used to group together related data. So let's say that I have a variable here, student. I'm going to put equals to. And to create a tuple, use parentheses. You put parentheses, and I'll type here Alex. And you can put all kind of related data here. And I'm going to put here age 25. And male. Now I'm gonna go down here. I will type print, and I will type here students. Now the first function, the first method that you can use on this tuple is count. So I can count the occurrences of a specific thing. So I can count the occurrences of Alex. So how many times there is Alex present in this tuple. So now if I run this, we get 1 because Alex is present 1 time. I'm gonna go down here. I'll type print students. Now we're gonna get a value. I'm gonna type index, and I will get the index of value. Let's say that to get the index of male of that value. So now if I run this, we get 2 because that's at index 2. Let's delete this. So, oops, actually, let's just comment it. We can loop to our tuple, so I can go down here. I can type for x in students print x. Let's comment this also. Now if I run this, we get Alex 25 and male, so it prints the content of the tuple. And you can also check to see if an element is inside the tuple. I can type here if, and I can type here if Alex, and I can use the in keyword to check to see if it's in the tuple. If Alex is in the tuple students, then I'm gonna say print Alex is present. So if I run this, I'm gonna say the value being outputted from the for loop, and then we have Alex is present, so the condition is true. Alright, this is our discussion about tuples, and I'll see you in the next video.